Okay, most importantly, you'll need your PPE's goggles, your lab coat, and gloves. Today we'll need our bowls, measuring cup, plates, vibrator, spatula, and trays. Now for our plaster ratio. As you can see here, this is our grams and this is our measuring weight. We're going to need 200 grams of plaster. Then we will need 75 milliliters of water. And this will be our plaster to water ratio. As you can see here, we have our measuring cup filled with water, our bowl of plaster. Now to mix. We're going to pour our water into a bowl, and then we will pour our plaster into the water bowl. Okay, make sure not to stir, but instead smash the plaster and water against the side of the bowl, which in turn will be pressed against your hand. Make sure to keep your spatula clean. In order to ensure we have the right consistency, we need to flip it over for a few seconds. Now we'll be using our vibrator to get out any bubbles. Now that we're ready to pour, we'll put our tray on the edge of the vibrator and start pouring in on one side. From there, we'll let the plaster spread throughout the teeth of the tray. Next, we'll be making our base. We need to make a mountain of plaster and do not smooth it out in order to ensure we don't catch any air bubbles. Now we will be wiggling our tray down onto the plaster. Now we will take our spatula and form the base. We have to smooth it out against the sides of the tray in order to ensure that we have a nice round base ready for trim. Now we are done, we'll set it aside for at least 30 minutes to ensure that it dries. After 30 minutes, we'll remove the model from the plate, and then we'll remove the tray from the plaster. Our next step will be to clean. We'll remove the alginate from the trays and scrub our plates free of plaster. Next, we need to wipe down our vibrator and our table. And this is how you get a perfect model.